For the last 6 years, we've worked to shine a light on the growing opioid epidemic and the efforts to save a generation. A big part of that ongoing crisis, the synthetic drug fentanyl. Just today, lawmakers in Washington discussed the dangers it poses, and as THV 11's Rebecca Brown found out, it's a focus for federal law enforcement here in Arkansas.
There is no level of fentanyl that you can consider safe that you're taking on the streets simply because you don't know what's in it.
Nationwide, we've heard the stories and reports of how deadly the illicit drug fentanyl can be.
And I can tell you that every alcohol I've seen and every drug I've seen, nothing has held a candle to what's happening with fentanyl in the United States of America.
Today on Capitol Hill, experts and advocates shared their experience with the opioid crisis. And according to the U.S. Attorney's Office, it's an ongoing problem here in Arkansas.
The number of fentanyl cases that our office has prosecuted has gone up. And it's going up 20, 30, 40, 50 cases per year going up. And I see that happening again in 2024.
Chris Givens, the criminal chief for the Eastern District of Arkansas, says lowering those numbers is top priority for their office.
It takes the tiny amount of fentanyl to kill a person. And so if somebody is selling fentanyl in whatever amounts, we are going to be looking at that case.
Much like a recent push from Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders, the U.S. Attorney's Office is cracking down on distributors.
Our goal at this office is to make the sentence so severe for anyone conducting transactions in fentanyl that it sends the message to them and to the community, this is not worth spending the rest of your life in prison.
According to U.S. Attorney Jonathan Ross, the drug has rapidly become a public safety concern as it threatens to wipe out generations.
2023, approximately 110,000 Americans lost their lives to overdoses, counterfeit drugs, and opioids and other substances. This is unacceptable.
While they don't expect to solve this problem overnight, Givens says it's all hands on deck at their office.
When we are seeing people hurt by this problem and we feel like we can help, and if we can get just one drug dealer off the street, that's going to help a family out there somewhere.
In Little Rock, Rebecca Brown, THV 11 News.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says if you see any suspicious activity of the drug being sold or distributed, you're asked to contact your law enforcement. And coming up tonight at 10, we will have more information on recovery programs for those battling this addiction.